If you are looking for one of the most beautiful, marvelous, and amazing waterfall in Assam, come with me to Kakosang Waterfall. We started our journey at 8:30 a.m. from Messenger. Look who came to welcome us. We crossed Kaziranga and headed to Karbi Anglong. The waterfall is located in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. At 11:45, we finally reached Karbi Anglong. The place looked beautiful. Can you see the terrace farming over there? And the blooming touch-me-nots. We were surprised to find so many water crossings on our way till the waterfall. We kept our vehicle at the parking area and started to walk along. The walk to the waterfall is about an hour or more, but the mesmerizing beauty of the place, the calm waters, the sound of the waterfall, the sight was truly worth it. So finally, जिसका सभी को इंतज़ार था, the waterfall is here.